Hello viewers and welcome to a new video. In this video I will explain how to get StarryAI Pro for free in 2025. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to help me make more of these videos. First go to the App Store or Play Store and download the StarryAI app. Then go to Settings and go to General. Then go to Background Refresh and turn this off. Once you have done all this, open the StarryAI app. Feel free to look around here at your leisure. Once you have done that, check if all your details are correct. And if this is all correct, we can start. Just click on Get Pro at the top right, and then you will see that you can now try StarryAI for free for a year. Good luck using it, and thanks for watching this video.